everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, this is Madge, and for today's video, we're going to talk about Aloe Airdrop, guys. So meron siyang 3 Galax campaign running as of the moment. So na-miss ko yung iba, guys, kasi ngayon ko lang naman na balitaan si Aloe. Anyway, so now ang gagawin natin, ito si Early Adaptor. Meron siyang Learn and Earn, which is, huwag kayong mag-skip, guys. Stay tuned at the end of this video dahil meron siyang quiz, so you need to pause it para makuha nyo yung mga correct answers. And for the community airdrop, I think for that one, yun yung pangatlo. So tatlo yung gagawin natin for their Galax campaign for Aloe Airdrop, guys. Okay? Kaya huwag kayong mag-skip, guys, kasi very important, especially sa quiz nila, guys, kasi para at least makuha nyo yung correct answer. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So mahalaga makuha nyo tong early adapter, guys, kasi kapag mga ganyan, kasi possible kayo magkaroon ng OG roles sa Discord nila kapag nakakuha kayo ng mga nauna kayo, guys. So very bago pa lang si Aloe. So here meron siyang earn points by completing tasks on Galax, claim your Aloe points, visit our awards. So andyan naman lahat. So ito yung tips: earn more by referring to more people, and rank higher on the leaderboard on Aloe Rewards dashboard for additional rewards in the future. So sa mismong Aloe websites, for sure yan yung dashboard na ibig sabihin nila about it. So you need to earn more points, guys, as well here kay Aloe. So katulad din ng ibang mga airdrops, kadalasan is mga pointing systems talaga, guys. So dun sila nagbe-base, and then pwede nyo i-convert yung points into their token. So sa future token nila. So first, of course, kailangan natin makuha itong NFT nila. So kailangan natin i-follow. Ang kadalasan naman yung mga tasks is follow sa Telegram account nila, sa X account nila, and sa Discord account nila. So make sure na you got the member role sa kanilang Discord, something like that. Yan yung mga kadalasan na mga kailangan nating i-follow or i-join, something like that. And then bonus na lang, or parang hindi naman bonus, kung karagdagan na lang yung mga like and retweet or quote, something like that. Katulad nito, you need to like and then quote. Buti nga lang ito, hindi siya ganun ka maselan, kasi isang quote lang. So kasi iba dyan may quote and then meron pang retweet, diba? So kapag may mga ganyan is you need to wait pa, so hindi nyo siya kagad matatapos, diba? Something like that. So now, tayo ay magko-quote, and take note, kailangan kayo tag ng inyong friends. So choose kayo. I think much better yung mga airdrop as well, para at least is okay sa kanila. I mean, iba kasi baka i-delete lang or itanggalin nila sa tag, something like that. So ayan, and then refresh nga lang yung circle hanggang sa mag-sync in. Pero kung ayaw pa mag-sync in, balik na lang kayo after. Pero pag ganyan kasi na pag walang lumalabas na countdown, it means okay na yan, pero hindi pa lang nag-sync in totally. So ayun, guys, sa-sync in na natin, and then we can claim 1 NFT and 30 points, guys. So next sa tayo, so meron ito, learn and earn Aloe. So end on 41 hours left na lang siya nung ginagawa ko siya as of today. So until June 6. So today is June 10. So gawin nyo na siya as soon as possible. Tama ba? June 12. Tama. Gawin nyo na siya as soon as possible. For this one, you need to follow, retweet, and like again. And then join. So nag-sync in na, pero yung isa hindi nag-sync in, yung Aloe XYZ, which means i-refresh ko na lang siya. Supposed to be dapat naka-sync in na siya. And then ito nga yung pinaka tricky is the quiz, guys. So ito, na-follow naman natin siya, guys, kanina. And then ito, hindi, iba kasi yung post pala, sorry, like wala yan. So now we need to like this post regarding to sa learn and earn with Aloe. So hanggang June 12 na lang siya, guys. So sige, i-post na natin. Total quote naman tayo kanina. So, wait na lang natin. So, hindi pa siya nagsisync in. So, nagsync in na yung isa. So, first, habang hindi pa nagsisync in yon, gawin na natin itong last step, which is the quiz, guys. So, I think 7 ata to 7 quiz. And then, pag nakapag-refer kayo, guys, ng inyong friends, makakuha pa kayo ng get another 10 points. So, kapag may nakita kayo ng bakit mas mataas yung kanilang points, possible marami na invite yun. So, pwede naman kayo mag-post sa inyong Twitter account, sa inyong Facebook account, or sa inyong other social media. So, let's start the quiz. What is Allo? So, ayan, RWA tokenized platform. What is Allo Vision? So, ayan, tokenized 1 trillion is real. Allo platform is for all of the above. All of the above. Ayan, next. How long does it take to tokenize asset on Allo? Instantly. Next, what is an SPV? Letter B yun, guys. What is a SPV for? Isolating financial risk. What are the benefits? All of the above. Kadalasan naman kapag may all of the above yung right answer. And now, ayan, nag-sync in na siya. So, na-repost naman natin to, guys. Ayan, diba? Kanina kasi na-repost na natin siya. So, try na natin. Ayan, nag-sync in na siya. So, we can claim another 70 points. So, the higher points, much better, guys. Para mas malaki yung possible na makuha yung distribution sa kanila. And next, ay hindi ko pala siya na-follow. So, Allo Community Airdrop, tama ako kanina. Allo Community Airdrop. So, this is the last one. So, yun na lang yung pinaka-tricky dun sa Learn and Earn kasi may quiz siya, guys. So, this one, you need to retweet, like, something like that. So, later ko lang gagawin niya, pero gawin na rin siya. So, lalagay ko lang yung mga link sa description box down below para at least is mag-directly na kayo sa mismong page nila, guys. Okay? So, andyan naman yung link sa baba. So, i-refresh ko lang to. So, at least, okay na siya. So, ito naman kasi na ka-join na ako. So, paminsan kasi ganito na hindi kagad nagsisync yung iba. Pero iba nagsisync naman, diba? So, as you can see, diba? Naka-follow na tayo. So, baka later on. Ayan. So, kailangan lang talaga buksan siya. So, itong 10 points, mamaya ko na siya kukunin. So, pagkapahingin ko muna aking X account. So, magka-post muna ako ng personal quote or message or anything. And then, bago ko siya gawin. So, after an hour. So, until next time, guys, gawin na siya. Goodbye! Let me know.